In Asaba this morning, the weather will be broken with a little rain with a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, real feel 34 degrees Celsius, real fish shade 32 degrees Celsius, wind south-southwest at 7 kilometers per hour, wind gusts 20 kilometers per hour, humidity 81%, dew point 24 degrees Celsius, probability of precipitation 55%, rain 0.5 millimeters, cloud cover 94%, visibility 6 kilometers. In the afternoon in Asaba, the weather will be broken with intervals of little rain with a temperature of 31 degrees Celsius, real feel 38 degrees Celsius, real feel shade 35 degrees Celsius, wind south at 11 kilometers per hour, wind gust 19 kilometers per hour, humidity 70%, dew point 24 degrees Celsius, probability of precipitation 55%.